Hi students, hola, happy Tuesday. For today's lesson, we are going to have the same objective, which is to find and write down similarities, so things that are the same, and differences, things that are different in a story or in things that we read or view. Okay, so I want to remind you that some of our key vocabulary is compare and contrast. When we're comparing, as you can see that it's color-coded, we are finding things that are the same. Okay, compare two things that are the same. I know that sometimes that word can be a little confusing because it almost sounds like it's opposite of what it means, but we're comparing two things that are the same. And then when contrasting, when we're finding something that is different of those things that we're exploring or looking at, that is something that we can contrast. Okay, so let me give you another example. So all of us at school, we all love animals, right? We all love different types of animals. We're really passionate about making sure that we respect animals and that we take care of animals. We all get really excited when we have animal lessons. So that's something that we can compare, something that's the same. We all love animals. A contrasting thing or a thing that's different is that not all of us have animals, not all of us have pets. Okay, so I have 2 cats, some of you have cats, some of you have dogs, some of you have parrots, hamsters, but not everybody in our class has a pet. So that's a difference within that example of loving animals. Okay, so today instead of doing a chart table, what we're gonna do is, and I think you're gonna love it, you're gonna watch Animal Planet or animal type of shows, and you're gonna compare and contrast 2 animals, okay? So you're gonna learn about sloths, the adventurous life of sloths. It was actually, I love that video. I learned so much from it as well. And giant pandas, okay? After you view both of those 2 videos, what I want you to do is draw one circle and then another circle that connects, okay? This organizer or this graphic organizer is called a Venn diagram. Okay, so you have one circle and then you have another circle. And the reason why we have a Venn diagram is because we want 2 sides of the circles to show the differences, okay? A sloth is very different than a giant panda, right? But they have things that they share in common. So I'm gonna give you one of the things that I would write, one of the answers that I would write, okay? A difference or things that are very special to, or that only really sloths are known for, is that they're very, very slow, okay? Everybody remembers sloths from, what was that movie? There was this cartoon that all of you were telling me about, and the sloths just talking really slow. So that's something that I would write here. Sloth is really slow, okay? Something about a giant panda is that they love to eat. They're always eating. So that would be something. Giant pandas always are eating. And then bamboo, okay? That would be something that pertains specifically to giant pandas, okay? Similarities, something that is the same, is that they both live in trees, okay? So they're always on trees. So that would be something, okay? So what I want you to do is I want you to write at least 3 to 4 differences of sloths, at least 3 to 4 similarities that giant pandas and sloths share, like my example of they both live in trees, and then 3 to 4 differences of a giant panda. Okay, so if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Remember that I do have office hours at 11:30. You can let me know how the lesson went or give me any type of recommendations. I was able to really organize this lesson based on the feedback on what some of you told me of yesterday's lesson. So I really appreciate that. And yeah, I hope you have fun. Bye.